Hey guys, great news. I'm going to be giving away this BA Vandersander at the end of this month to one of you. So you can enter one time per day between now and July 30th. On July 31st at 3 or 4 p.m., I'm going to select a winner live on Instagram. So how do you enter? Easy. You share a BECK'S Armory hyperlink on Facebook. Now, when you share the link, make sure you tag me. This can be in a reply or an original post. It doesn't matter. You just have to tag me when you share the BECK'S Armory link, along with a description of why you like your BECK'S Armory product or why you want to get a BECK'S Armory product. You have to have a USA address. You must be 18 years old. Only one entry per day. I think that's all the rules. If I missed them, I'll put them in the description.